Hello friends, welcome back to one more video of this newspaper reading in German. So I have made already a playlist about the newspaper reading in German and you can learn and improve your German language skills. So in today's article we read about this the Spion im Rauchmelder. Spy, we understand it's an English word spy. Spy means something that can vigilant, that can see you secretly. That is called spion. Okay, it's an English word, we can use them also. Okay, so spy in a smoke alarm, Rauchmelder. So there are some devices that can be used as a spy that can record your audio and video. So these are called spy devices. We read further. So there are some important words you can note down. Tischlampen mit Mikrofon, Rauchmelder mit Kamera. Tischlampen, table lamp with microphone, Rauchmelder, okay, this smoking device with camera. Manche smarten Geräte können heimlich Gespräche und Videos aufzeichnen. Aufzeichnen. You understand this word? Aufzeichnen. So manche, many Geräte device can record. Okay, aufzeichnen means record. Make note of these important words. Many smart devices can secretly, heimlich, secretly record the conversation and videos. Okay, aufzeichnen. Experten warnen vor solchen übermerkten Spion im Haushalt, die auch für Hacker ein lohnendes Ziel sind. Expert warn, okay, warn against such unobservable, unbemerkten means nobody can observe them secretly. This, so expert are giving warning against such kind of devices im Haushalt, in the household. Household, die auch für Hacker ein lohnendes Ziel sind. These are worthwhile for a hacker who hack your data. Okay, so these devices can be lohnendes Ziel means very worthwhile target. So these devices can be worthwhile for the hackers if you are using such devices in the household. So we have seen some difficult words here. Microphone means microphone. Camera, then Gerät means device. Heimlich, secretly. Gespräch, conversation. Aufzeichnen, this is important word. Video aufzeichnen, video recording. Unbemerkten, unobservable, im Haushalt. Now we read further in detail. Manchem Gerät daheim oder am Arbeitsplatz sieht man bestimmte zusätzliche Funktionen nicht an. So what is the verb? Ansehen, to look at. So manchem Gerät daheim means secretly again. Okay, we have read this word heimlich, secretly, or here daheim means at home also. So some Geräts at home or at workplace means we are using such Geräts at workplace or at home. Sieht man bestimmte zusätzliche Funktionen nicht ein, and one doesn't see the bestimmte particular extra functions. One doesn't know about the extra features of such spy devices. Okay, at home or at workplace. Daheim means at home. Am Arbeitsplatz, at workplace. Am Arbeitsplatz. Da gibt es Rauchwarnmelder mit eingebauter Mini-Kamera oder eine Tischlampe. Da gibt es Rauchwarnmelder. There is a Rauchwarnmelder mit eingebauter Mini-Kamera. So it's an example of the smoking device. Okay, we have seen this device, Rauchwarnmelder. We have seen already this word, Rauch, smoking device. Okay, so in this device we have seen what is given, eingebauter, inbuilt mini camera. So Rauchwarnmelder, smoking alarm device. There are smoking alarm device at workplace with eingebauter, inbuilt mini camera or a table lamp, Tischlampe. Die laut Produktbeschreibung des Verkäufers in Echtzeit mithören kann. Die laut means according to, that according to the product description of seller in real time listen. Okay, it can listen because it's a spy device. There is a recording, it can record and it can it can hear in real time, in Echtzeit, in real time, simultaneously, live they can hear you. Auch manche Kugelschreiber und Feuerzeuge können filmen und Tonaufnahmen machen. Tonaufnahmen means audio recording. Filmen means to make videos. So Tonaufnahmen means audio record. So there are some, manche means some, there are some ball pen and Feuerzeuge, fire devices, which can make video and which they can record the audio. So these are some devices, okay, that are in the market nowadays. Solche Alltagsgeräte erfüllen nicht nur ihren eigentlichen Zweck. Such Alltagsgeräte means ऐसे devices जो हम daily use में काम करते हैं, Alltags day to day life में use होने वाले Gerät erfüllen fulfill not only ihren eigentlichen Zweck, not only they fulfill their real purpose. Suppose we have a table lamp. So what is the purpose of having this table lamp? To just use them during the darkness. So this is the real function, real Zweck. Apart from that, sondern haben fragwürdige Zusatzfunktionen. Apart from real purpose, they fulfill also some questionable, doubtable, fragwürdige, questionable extra functions. Like they also do recording, audio recording, video recording secretly. So this is the Zusatzfunktion, extra function of such devices. Zweck means purpose. Eigentlichen Zweck, erfüllen. So this is the verb noun combination. Zweck erfüllen, fulfill the purpose. So they not only fulfill the actual purpose but also work as some spy device, or they have some extra features, extra functions. Zusatzfunktionen. Wer sich mit den Geräten nicht gut auskennt, who does not know about such devices. Sich gut auskennen means to know about the device, to know about a technique. We use this verb, sich auskennen, to know, to be aware. So whosoever is not aware about such Gerät devices, merkt womöglich gar nicht, does not observe, maybe, possibly, womöglich, possibly, may not observe, dass eine Unterhaltung mitgeschnitten, conversation can be recorded, mitgeschnitten, oder die Umgebung mitgefilmt werden kann, and your surroundings can be recorded in a video form. So whosoever is not aware about such devices, maybe does not know that he or she has been filmed, or their audio, their video is being recorded. This is passive voice, werden kann. Das sei problematisch. It can be problematic. Then Espionage-Geräte seien in Deutschland verboten. Then means because such spy devices are banned, forbidden in Germany. Verboten, not allowed. Such devices are verboten, not allowed in Germany. Want Fiete Wolf von der Bundesnetzagentur. This is the name of this person. Want, given the warning by the Fiete Wolf. It's a name. And he is the head of the Bundesnetzagentur, German Federal Network Agency, FNA. This person belongs to this agency, has given warning, or is warning against this espionage Gerät. So these Geräte are solche Geräte, these are such devices, die Ton- und Bildaufnahmen von Menschen machen können. So these are the devices that can record the audio, or that can click photos of people. Tonaufnahmen, audio recording. Bildaufnahmen, click pictures von Menschen, of people. Diese dann über eine Funkverbindung oder eine Mobilfunkverbindung zum Beispiel an eine andere Stelle übermittelt und bei denen nicht erkennbar ist, dass hier Ton- und Bildaufnahmen stattfinden. And that recording can be transmitted to on radio network or a mobile phone network. For example, on a other place, an eine andere Stelle übermittelt transmitted. So these recordings can be transmitted on other platform at other places, übermitteln, transmitted, und bei denen nicht erkennbar ist, and which cannot be recognized. So this device can record your audio and video and can transfer to some other place on some other Plattform. Das ihr Ton und Bildaufnahmen stattfinden. And you cannot recognize that these devices are recording your audio and video. Erklärt Wolf, explain Wolf. So there are so many difficult words we have seen in this article. I hope you have made note of all these things. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.